Khublei di Februari kajing mitip namta ki result ki ba Pynmih pok Mpsc Miklia Public Service Commission ki ba Pynmih ka South Tarik September arjar South te ngepek mentai kita ki result ki ba Pynmih kong on the basis of the written examination held on 21st May 2024 and stenography speed test at 150 words per minute held on 29 June 2024 for the post of stenographer grade 1 in the Miklia Civil Secretariat July 2019. The successful candidate Idai Isri Nathaniel Swear napok khasi jaintia kategori. Congratulations namta in Nathaniel Swear then Kanebde on the basis of the written examination held on 4th June 24 and stenography speed test at 120 words per minute held on 29 June 2024 for the post of stenographer grade 2 category grade 2 category grade 1 in the office of the Chief Engineer Water Resource Meghalaya Shillong November 2019, which was conducted by the Commission. The candidate declared to have passed is as follow: Shri Aiban Manbha Kharpuri on reserve category. Congratulations namtai Aiban. Then second part kanebra ketika result of the screening test kemudian ba kila adap ya written examination to the post of computer programmer equivalent to the post of junior informatic officer under PWD R&B Miklia December 2020 held on the 22nd May 2024 is hereby declared. Taking a rule number to have qualified for the personal interview. Hanyo lai fly kena vendai sebab voice sebab san sebab reply aspak nyo pra aspak kena vendrew lai sebab san vendrew lai sebab penyo lai sebab nyo par. Te sakan mau kini ki balai thoi kena ka exam te ka personal interview kan long kasan 3 Oktober arja arpsau shipho shiteng hapok office of the Miklia Public Service Commission. Te candidate ki balong qualify sa download hi ya ka intimation letter na po ka Mpsc website. Sakoi part kanebade ka result of the screening test for the post of junior engineer grade 1 civil under the Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving Department of Textile Miklia Shillong December 2020 on 1st June 2024 is hereby declared. Kini qualified for the personal interview. Kini roll number dai new flies par flies par prapo aspak naif sao lai pra lai sao san sao non lai sao pra. Take a personal interview namta ka post kan dai 3 Oktober arjar sao shipostang office of the Miklia Public Service Commission. The candidate ki bala qualify so download ya ka intimation letter na po ka Mpsc website. Sakoi part kan dai ka result of the screening test the post of research assistant in the Directorate of Program Implementation and Evaluation November 2019. Kini haba ongkom 2019 to 2020 kan mau ba kini ki post ba pelat advertisement ha utu snem ndrei ki exam part ki arjar arpsau. Is hereby declare the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Arpsau ruhwe ndrush pasau arpsau asan lai arlai lai new lai prasau sound kendai sau lai san sau lai pra sau prapo sau kunai lai san shipho san arnot san sau san kunai san respa. The personal interview will be held on 26 and 27 September 2024 at 10:30 AM in the office of the Miklia Public Service Commission. The candidate ki ba la qualify ki balan kini ki roll number haneng te download hi ya kata ka intimation letter na po Mpsc website. Te tangi ne hi ki jing betip khuleshbun.